not difficult to learn it. It just takes some time. Simple, isn't it?
Are you okay?
Yes. Do you need a hug? No. What's love got to do? Got to do with it. From the very beginning of my singing career, I was able to do some little rasp, but it wasn't conscious and wasn't controlled, which was actually very annoying. So that was one of the main reasons I decided that I'm going to a little bit deeper in this vocal technique. Everyone, I'm trying. So after that, it happens almost naturally, like and that's what I teach at Berklee. I love it. That's why I decided that I'm going to somehow find a way how to build up this technique from step by step. Try the false chord and the epiglottis. Scream! Scream! And the other one was a bit more open and low. Pray! Pray! James Brown. Ow! So yeah. Rock my soul! My goal wasn't only just to be able to do this extreme vocal technique, I wanted to be able to teach it. Because just because I can do something, it doesn't mean I can teach it. So I wanted to understand also how do I do this, how to do that, not to hurt my voice. And they were like, oh, that feels actually so good.
You rock.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Ooh.